Hey people, welcome to Wesby Cooks. Today let's prepare plain dosa. Firstly, take a bowl, add 4 cups rice. You can use broken rice and dosa rice as well. I am using normal rice. 1 and 1/4 cup urad dal, 1/4 cup china dal, 1/4 cup green gram, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1/4 cup beaten rice. Add some water. Wash all ingredients well. Strain it well. Add some water. Close it with a lid and let it rest overnight. I have soaked it overnight. Now you can see all ingredients soften. Let's strain it well. Take mixie jar. Add all soaked ingredients. Add some water and grind it into a fine paste. Let's transfer this paste into a bowl. Add salt as per taste and give it a good mix. Cover it with a lid and let it rest around 6 hours so that batter get well fermented. Dosa batter is ready. Take a pan, rub it with sliced onion on a pan so that dosa won't stick to pan. Take some batter and spread it roundly across the pan. Apply some red chutney around dosa. This will enhance the taste. Drip some oil over dosa. Wait for a while. Try lifting with spatula from any of the corner. Once you are able to lift it completely, fold it and transfer it into a plate. You can serve this with variety of chutneys. Here I have chosen peanut and red chutney. If you want recipes of these chutneys, I have videos on them. Please do check description box below for the link. Dosa is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.